the first thing we're going to do from now on, we're still going to plug it in. So plug it in. If you get a number, you are done. And in this particular instance, I am looking at 0 squared minus 1 over 0 minus 1, which is 0 over 0. So it's a 0 over 0 form. So when it says form, the form is 0 over 0. That says you lose L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule. That means this is the same thing as saying the limit as x goes to 1. The derivative of the numerator is what?
2x.
The derivative of the denominator is 1. And if I take the limit as x goes to 1 of 2x over 1, you get 2 times 1 or 2. And I'm done. Now here's when I worked at using algebra. What did I come up with? 2. Infinity. Plug it in. Well, I've got infinity squared plus 2 infinity minus 1 over 5 times infinity minus 1. It's infinity over infinity. The problem is there's different levels of infinity. Some infinities are bigger than other infinities. So that I can now use L'Hopital's rule. So this says it's the same as the limit as x goes to infinity of 2x plus 2 over 5. Right? Plug it in, I get 2 times infinity plus 2 over 5, which is what? Infinity. So it actually is going to infinity. And going to positive infinity. I don't have to worry about who goes there faster. Do I have big over huge? Now, what do I do with something like this? Well, plug it in. I get e to the 0 minus 1 times 1 over 0. And remember, this is a 0 times infinity form. This is the only place where you have to go in and you have to rewrite, because you cannot use L'Hopital's rule on it. Why can't I use L'Hopital's rule on it? What do you have to have? 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. So, but I can rewrite this as the limit as x goes to 0 of e to the x minus 1 over x. And now, when I go to work it out, this is e to the 0 minus 1 over 0, which is 0 over 0. So now do I have the proper form? Yeah. So I can use L'Hopital's rule. This is the same as the limit as x goes to 0. Derivative of the numerator is what? E to the x. Derivative of the denominator is what? This is going to e to the 0, which is 1. It's got a limit. Limit's 1. And there's no other way I could go get it other than perhaps trying to graph it on my calculator and figuring it out from there.